Hey there, Tony Hixon with Hixon Zuercher Capital Management, joined by
Jordan Shaw, Hixon Jordan Capital Management, Wealth Advisor. And we're here today to give you a market and an economic update for the month of June, looking back at the month of May.
Well, let's do that. So the month of May was a very strong month in the markets. S&P 500 up 5%, the NASDAQ tech-heavy index up 7%. More value-based companies, Dow Jones Industrial Average up around 3%. Across the globe, international markets up around 3%, and emerging markets up 9.6%. So strong month in the markets. What drove that?
That was mostly driven, unsurprisingly, by the artificial intelligence. Everyone has heard of this. Everyone has used this.
Unless you're under a rock.
AI has driven all of it, especially the emerging market side of it outside of the U.S. There's global equities surged this past month. So the tech-heavy indices, record highs, right? Investor optimism around all of this is a big piece of it. Particularly South Korea and Taiwan are enjoying that. So we'll see how long it lasts. It feels like I've been asking that question for the better part of a year or two now, but yeah.
So you use AI. What's your favorite AI bot that you like to go to?
My favorite AI, well, probably the Google one. It's just like that
Gemini?
one so seamlessly just came right in. Gemini is just here. You're going to use me now.
There you go. Yeah. So my kids are really obviously into ChatGPT. They got the app and all that kind of stuff. I'm like, how are you going to live life? It's doing all the work for you.
Yep.
Got to use your own brains.
Yep.
But life goes on. Is this a good time for the Florida news story? And then I can finish out the rest of our content here?
Absolutely.
Well, let's cover it. What happened in Florida this month?
In Florida, all sorts of things happened. But the one story that we're going to bring you today is about a traffic stop in Palm Beach County. This sounds like it should be like a TV show. Traffic in Palm Beach County.
There you go. Yeah.
A deputy accused a woman of driving with her phone in her right hand, which is important, because it turns out she does not have a actual right hand. She is an amputee, so she's accused of this. So obviously there was some confusion there. And when this was brought to the deputy's attention, there was an obvious take back, right? Oh, I guess I got this one wrong. Don't know what was going on there.
Yeah.
But then he decided, you know what? I'm going to double down on this, and I'm going to press this issue a little bit. And she repeatedly reminded him, very clearly, that she does not have a right hand.
You're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Obviously not. So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up manipulating the phone.
You just said my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You had a hand up. The right hand. I saw you manipulate.
So you didn't.
With the right hand, perhaps not, right? But
you didn't see me with my right hand.
Okay, so are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you didn't have phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
All right, man. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device, handheld while driving. We got to put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
After all of this eventually went to court, the traffic violation case was dropped. But this is a very extreme example of law enforcement maybe very uncharacteristically not taking no for an answer. I don't know.
Well, that is a crazy story for sure. No phone in her right hand because that just wasn't possible for her.
The cops did not want to lend a hand to her.
All right. Well, also last month, the new Fed chair, Warsh, not Wash, Warsh. There is an R in there. So Warsh, new Fed chair, outgoing Fed chair Jerome Powell is done. He'll stay on staff for a little while, but nonetheless, President Trump assured the new governor, Fed Governor Warsh, that Fed independence would be fine. Coming up here in the month of June will be Warsh's first FOMC meeting. Federal Open Market Committee will meet. No rate changes are expected. No cuts, no hikes. That's fine. But markets are increasingly pricing in a rate hike later this year. And that has to do with inflation kind of ticking upward as a result of higher energy prices, gas prices at the pump. With that, thank you for taking a listen to our May commentary. Looking forward to the month of June. If you have any questions about your portfolio, please give us a call at 419-425-2400 or shoot us an email at hello@hzcapital.com. Again, I'm Tony Hixon, joined by
Jordan Shaw.
Thanking you for attending this month's video update. Have a great month. See you next time.